こんにちは、イーフープスです。相手のドライブなどに対してうまくコースに入れたのにもかかわらず守りきることができずに得点されてしまう場合があります。なぜそうなってしまうのでしょうか。コールマンエアーズが説明とともにそれを改善するためのドリルを紹介・解説していますので見てみましょ
う。Defense is physical. You have offensive players essentially sprinting full speed at you, trying to get past you. So if you're not able to brace up and absorb contact during one of those slides, chances are you're probably going to get scored on. So this is just a simple progression of ways to work on this that I took my guy Gabe through.
So let's say you're defending me right here. If you cut me off and you kind of take that contact, if you're not able to kind of brace in here, then you're either flying all over the place. Like it's not easy for you to change direction. So kind of like a series where if you're cutting me off here, you're able to kind of brace up through your core. So it's going to be almost like defensive core work. So what we'll do and what I typically start off with is it'll be like a fake throw, right? So you'll be kind of look in the mirror is the easiest way to picture it. But we'll start off one where you're going overhead into the side, exactly, and then you're pulling it down and kind of reversing that quickly. So you'll be, yeah, exactly. It's on the ball handling too, because now we're getting into like, if you're changing direction and you're not able to brace up, then you collapse this way and it's hard for you to get back this way, if that makes sense. So it's like a pull down, exactly. And then from there, yeah. From there, definitely don't start cramping. You can go a couple where it's like an ISO where you just peel it here and then reset, feel that momentum into it and then kind of bringing it to a stop, and then we'll get them where they reverse back. So we'll go, yep. Now go 3 to the other way with oh shit, my knee almost, big pull down. Yeah, that's my bad one.
オフェンスが腕で押したり行き過ぎた接触、例えばディフェンスが両足をついてリーガルガーディングポジションを占めているところに勢いよくぶつかってディフェンスを吹き飛ばしたりしたらオフェンスファールになりますが、そこまでではない接触はファールにはなりません。ルールブックに書かれているのは不当な体の触れ合いがファールになるということであり、触れ合いそのものがファールになるわけではありません。バスケはコンタクトスポーツと言われているように正当な触れ合い、シリンダー同士の接触は頻繁に起こります。ドライブで抜かれないようにディフェンスがコースに入りながらオフェンスと体が接触し続けるのはその代表格と言えます。その際フィジカルが足りなければ接触の衝撃に耐えきれずそのままオフェンスに推し進められてしまうということです。このようにディフェンスにとってフィジカルというのは非常に大事です。特に育成年代においてなぜ身長が低いと不利になってしまうのか。それはシュートがブロックされやすいという以外にもまだ明確に体作りに取り組む前のため身長の差がそのまま体重の差、筋肉量の差につながってしまい、それがフィジカルの差になってしまうからです。年齢が上がりレベルが上がってくるとウェイトトレーニングなどの積み重ねにより優れたフィジカルを持った選手が増えてきます。良いディフェンスをするためにはコースに回り込むための敏捷性だけが大事なのではなく、オフェンスの勢いに負けないために体重や筋力、筋肉量など総合的なフィジカルも大事であることを忘れないようにしましょう。
Alright, now try a couple where you're pull and then a quick pop back out. So you're pop. Yeah, exactly. So reverse that quick. Reverse it quick. Good. 3 coming towards me. Yeah, that's that one. Get one where it's like a lighter version of that. Yeah. Just get one where it's not too intense on you. Good. All right, and then you can also do it where it's like a toss this way. So it's like a boom here, and this one takes away like the downward component to it. So this is almost like a regression to it. So just try a couple where you're here, back, and you're almost rotating a little bit. So you have to reverse that back the other way. Yeah, exactly. And try to get out of that hole right there quickly. So boom, back. Try one more. Yep, same thing going to the left. You can go lighter since that's your bad. It's probably good for you though. Good. All right, now you'll go without the ball since it's more of a defensive thing. So you'll step either way. Actually, we'll do this. I'll step and you're reacting and just making one little slide here. I'm gonna give you a push. You try to brace and just essentially what I call it is brace up. So you just stay kind of like a statue when I push you. So if I step this way, I'm pushing, exactly. Yep, and then stay in that. Good. Yep, get two more. One more. Good, I like it. Because you feel the same thing when somebody drives by you here and you cut them off and then you're like, oh shit, I gotta brace up. Same thing there. All right, so now we'll try one where I am kind of gliding side to side, here and you're in front. Then whenever I take one dribble forward, I'm not gonna go at full speed because I don't wanna completely try to run you over. But whenever I explode, you're trying to step in front, exactly. And instead of going backwards here, it's more of like a, exactly, beat me laterally. I'll be here. Yep. Good. Yep. All right, now I'm gonna start using a little bit more shoulder, so you gotta really brace up. Oh, nice. One more. Good.